Introducing the award-winning U-Loc keyless locking system, an ingenious invention that, quite simply, keeps your small children or toddlers safe by restricting access to potentially hazardous objects or locations around your home. This revolutionary keyless locking system offers an extremely simple yet highly effective solution to securing a wide variety of potential household dangers, and does so without the need for keys, which can easily be misplaced, or troublesome combination locks. Whoever remembers the combination to their locks? It's exceptionally easy to use. Simply squeeze the shackle, push the base block toward the shackle, and then turn. It's that easy, simple, effective, and secure. Protect your loved ones with the U-Loc keyless locking system. For more information, visit www.nokeyuloc.com.